How to see your Chrome extension, your install extension. So in this video today I'm going to show you how you can bring your all installed extension to your toolbar, or how you can see your all installed extension on Chrome. So let's start with the video, guys. So before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the window, Chrome browser. So guys, here we are. This is my Chrome browser and I will show you the two methods. First method is you can click on this puzzle icon, and here you can see the frequently use your extension, and few extension come up here which is you frequently use. Now if you want to make pin it, or you want to show it on toolbar, you have to just click on pin, then it will be come here. If you unpin, it will be hide from here. Okay, so now I will show you how you can find your all installed extension and how you can manage your extension on Chrome. So now we need to click on this three dot option, just come down and come to the more tools. Under the more tools we need to click on the extensions. So here we are, this is my all extension. In case in your case, find out your all extension. You can on extension or off for temporary, or you can active or deactive extension like this. Okay, you can also remove the extension. First you need to deactivate extension, now you can remove from here, just remove it, so it will be removed. So that is how you can show your extension, you can manage your extension. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.